We are pleased to show you the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front wheel drive, integrated turn signal mirrors, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, LED headlights, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.